Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be decorating the living room, the mantle, and unfortunately the footage of my Christmas tree is missing, but I will share the Christmas tree in this video, just not me decorating it. I hope you enjoy it. I have this little nook in my living room and I haven't decided what I want to do with it yet, so these hooks are still hanging there. And I saw this idea on Instagram. I will leave it linked below. But I am going to take this brown paper, wrapping paper, and just wrap a few boxes that I had laying around. Now, this wrapping paper is from the dollar store. They couldn't find just plain brown paper. So I'm using this chevron, but I'm just flipping it over so that just the brown paper is showing. Anyway, just going to wrap those up. I am not very good at wrapping, so please don't hold me to it or don't judge me for it, okay? And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. It's really cute. I love the idea because I have spent my Christmas decorating budget. Excuse me, Daisy. I'm trying to do a voiceover. Do you mind? My dog is snoring behind me. Anyway, my budget is gone and I have this little spot and I don't have anything to put there. And so when I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, this is such a great idea. I'm going to try it. What I loved about this DIY is there's so many different ways that you can do this. This can be functional. It doesn't just have to be solely decorative like I am doing. I loved the idea that the lady shared about doing like an advent calendar, and each day you open them, there's something in there. I thought that was really cute, and you could decorate these boxes like differently. She had really cute calligraphy handwriting. I do not, but if you do and you want to like decorate the boxes like with the chalk marker or something, I think that would be really cute. But I just tied mine up with twine, and I'm using this 25 tag that I got from Felicity Jane. She has the cutest paper products ever, and I just tie mine up. I do 5 boxes in this video, but I only end up using 3 because I liked the way that looked a little bit better. I don't know. I wish maybe if I had got different sized boxes and stuff, but it's okay. I really like the way that it turned out. And then I do just take another piece of twine and tie a little loop from the top, and I don't worry about that they all hang the same. I just tie it on, and we're good to go on that. Now let's decorate this little space. I have these 2 checked pillows that I got last year at TJ Maxx, and you will notice in my in this video that I actually use a lot of the same pillows that I used in the fall. So that lumbar pillow is from Target, and you have seen it before. And then I'm just gonna hang up those boxes, and then I thought, you know what? Something's missing, of course, ribbons. So I'm tying one of these gold velvet ribbons that I have been using throughout my home this season, just to add a little color right there. I mean, color, gold, tan, it's all the same, but I think it does really add just something special to it. I thought would also be cute is if you had some fresh green sprigs, you could just tuck in the boxes. I wish I had done that, but I don't have any trees around me that I could cut from, and I didn't have anything fresh. So that is an idea, and I think I'll probably do that once I get some fresh greeneries for the porch. To finish off this space, I'm just going to add this Christmas tree farm sign that I made years and years ago. I tried not to use any signs this year, but again, I didn't have anything to put there, and I thought that that looked really cute. So that is how we finished off this space. Going around the room, I kept my mantle very, very simple this year. I'm just using 3 candlesticks on either side of the TV. Yes, we put a TV up. It is new. We also have redone the mantle, if you can't notice. I will be doing an updated video on it all, but The mantle is getting bricked very soon, so we're excited about that, but we needed to do the mantle part first, or the woodwork first. And so that is what we've been working on the last couple weeks, and I love how it turned out. It definitely goes with my craftsman style home, and Erin did a lovely job. All right, moving along, I didn't show me putting up the greenery because it is such a pain and I struggle so hard, and I don't think anybody wants to see that. But I did just do 4 different garlands on there, the North Folk one that I've shared before, and then I got a cedar one from a local boutique. And then I just added these gold bells. They're from Amazon, and I just, again, tied them up with all the ribbons I used this season just to kind of correlate them all together, and I absolutely adore them. My favorite thing of the whole entire video, the stockings. I just adore how they turned out, and they're all from Target. I will link them below, but I just took the ribbon that I've been using all throughout the house and tied little bows, or one of them I didn't even tie a bow, I just stringed the ribbon on. I got these initials from the dollar store and added those, and I think it turned out so simple and yet just absolutely beautiful. It's my favorite. I had this spot right here next to the fireplace, and I wanted to use that black vase that I showed in my haul. So I just filled it with some birch logs and some greenery that I had left over from just decorating. I've had the greenery for many, many years, and I love how it turned out. It's like you just came out from outside, cutting the wood and bringing in the little greens. I love the way that looks. This is where I'd put in the footage of me decorating my tree, but it's gone. So here's a little look at it. The camera never does these things justice. I've shared all the ornaments that I use. I tied little bows around it. I do need probably more ornaments, and my kids aren't impressed this year. They're so used to me doing full trees that they're like, what are you doing? But I love it. I love it that I put it in that basket, and it looks so like realistic that I love it this year. It's not for everybody, but this is what my heart is feeling like this year. Simple. All right. I keep this basket out all year long. You've seen it 1,000,001 times, but just adding this cute ribbon to it. I love that striped ribbon because it has wire in it. So I kind of just fold it up to make it look a little bit more like, I guess more like a textured ribbon. I don't know what the word I'm looking for. It's late. Anyway, moving along to the greenery. These stems are just from Hobby Lobby, and I've bought them over the years, and I usually use them around the house, but this year, actually, I take that back. I've used them on my Christmas tree the last few years, but this year we're not doing that tree, and so I just plopped them in this basket, and I, again, love the simplicity of it. Next to the basket, I had an extra one of these trees, and so I went downstairs and got this cement pot, and I really like the way, just like how natural that feels with the wicker of that basket. I love the combination. I love it so much. And then I just finished off this little corner with one of the wooden nutcrackers that I stained. If you didn't see my DIY video, I'll link it. But how cute is that? It's just, if it didn't have the ribbon, it would be very plain. But I think the ribbon just ups the game a little bit, and I love it. I love how it looks. I'm sorry if you're annoyed with how many times I've said I love this, but obviously I do. I love it. Anyway, I took this blanket off of my couch, but I didn't put it away because I thought it went well with what I have going on, and you'll see in a minute that I still kept some of the fall stuff on my couch, and so the colors really go well together. But just using another plaid pillow and then this little pillow from Target from the Hearth and Hand collection, it is very cute. I've shared this blanket in my Christmas haul, and it is so good. But I kept the same cream pillows on my couch, and I used this tan pillow as my decorative pillow, which matches the blanket on the chair. And then just to top it off, I used a green pillow on the other side, and I, again, think this turns out really great. It's not over the top Christmassy, but just enough Christmas to make my little heart happy. And then I just finished off the room with this gold scalloped bowl full of ornaments. One of my favorite things I did this Christmas. The bowl is from Hobby Lobby, and then the ornaments I've shared before. The glass ones are from Walmart, and then the little green ones are from a set I got off of Amazon. Now let's give you an overview. See, the tree looks so much more beautiful in this this clip, but I love how everything turned out. Again, back to the TV. I didn't buy a frame TV, but I do have some Christmas art on it. I'm not sure how I'm loving it in the video. It looks nothing like that in person. So anyway, you guys will have to let me know what you think of this space. And I have loved reading your feedbacks on my last videos, so I really appreciate that. And I can't wait to share some more Christmas with you guys. It's been so fun. And if you're new here, hello. I'm so glad you're here. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.